Welcome back. Video 32, part 2. Do some update. Good news. There's some good news in this. The Big Daddy excavator of them all has get ready. Big Daddy of them all has its end on, its claw on. This sucker can reach all the way up to the top of the roof on these buildings. Holy cow. That's crazy. Very crazy. They're attaching the part on. I feel it's almost that time to start bringing down one of the big buildings. We had to take a little quick lunch break because all they were doing was cleaning up. Let's go around the corner from here, north onto West New York. Oh my goodness, they're cool. It doesn't stop me from bringing you, my subscribers, this demolition. They did some stuff when we were gone too. Show you what they're having up to. This part reminds me of Smith Elementary School that turned into Smith Lofts on 18th in Oregon because of the old bricks. And if you see them on the bottom, very, very, very awesome architecture, revealing the old bricks behind a wall at one time. It did the bottom before, and then knocked the top down too when we were going. That is all metal pile, waiting for a dump truck to come and pick it up. That's all metal from the building so far, as well as that, the beams, all metal. Cha-ching, cha-ching for the business. Money in their pockets. I mean, their account, more or less. The pockets goes back to the account, the business's account, and they cash it in. That's what they did when we were gone, taking a lunch break. They started to do the top part, bottom part first, and then they did the top part second. All they're doing is cleaning up right now. But why would you clean up when you can knock down and then clean up? I never understood that. Not at all do I understand that. I was just told the excavator is gonna knock this one down first before it gets that one down. So this is gonna be knocked down first. So we gotta get nearby and so on. So we'll keep you posted. Nothing's going on, guys. I'm gonna let you go. I'm sorry for this delay. Tune in to 33. We'll be right back. And number 33. Sorry, this has been a short video. All I'm doing is cleaning up. So, and then you got an excavator coming back around, but he's just stopped and cleaning up other areas. All right, we'll let you go. Take care.